Hi, welcome to the WTAMU Virtual Math Lab. This video will step you through College Algebra Tutorial 7, Example 4. In this example, we want to factor the polynomial 7x cubed minus 14x squared minus x plus 2 by grouping. Note that there are no greatest common factors or GCFs that we can factor out of all terms, so we are going to go right into factoring by grouping. In step 1, we need to group together the first two terms and then the last two terms. When we do that, our first parentheses will have 7x cubed minus 14x squared. Then we'll have minus, and our second parentheses will have x minus 2. Note that you need to be careful when you write the minus sign outside of the second parentheses that you need to change the signs of all terms that are part of that group. You should be able to distribute that negative and get what you started with. In step 2, we need to factor out a GCF from the first two terms and then the last two terms. The GCF of the first group is 7x squared. When we factor that out, we get 7x squared times x minus 2. There is no GCF for the second binomial, so we'll still have the minus and then the parentheses of x minus 2. In our third step, we want to factor out the common binomial of x minus 2. When we do this, we get our final answer of x minus 2 times 7x squared minus 1. Note that you need to be careful. It is tempting to put nothing or 0 when we divide x minus 2 by itself. If the GCF we are dividing out is the same as the original binomial, then we are left with a 1, not 0. That is why the second term inside the parentheses is 1. We can always double check ourselves on factoring problems by multiplying out the factors that we have. If they multiply to be the original polynomial, then we have the right factors. If they don't, we need to go back and try factoring the problem again. Note that if we multiplied our answer out, we would get the original polynomial.